What if you could sleep 6 adults, cook, shower, and live in comfort? Inside a vehicle barely longer than a luxury sedan. Korea just made that possible. And the price? It will genuinely shock you. For decades, RV travel meant one of two things: a massive, expensive, gas-guzzling rig that's nearly impossible to park, or a cramped van conversion with no real amenities. Families had to choose between freedom and comfort. But Hyundai, the same company that once made budget economy cars the world laughed at, decided enough was enough. They built their first ever factory-made motorhome from the ground up, a compact campervan designed to rewrite every rule of affordable RV travel. It's called the Porest, and nothing about it is what you expect. Let's start with the name itself because it tells you everything. Porest, a combination of two words, porter and rest, as in Hyundai's iconic Porter commercial truck, married to the idea of rest, comfort, and home. That foundation matters. The Hyundai Porter 2 is one of the most reliable light commercial trucks in South Korea. It's been hauling goods across the Korean peninsula for years. Hyundai didn't build a camper from scratch. They took something already proven and transformed it into something extraordinary. And the result is a motorhome that starts at around $41,000 for the two-seater model and climbs to roughly $54,000 for the four-seater version. Let that sink in. A fully factory-built motorhome for $41,000. Here's where it gets interesting from an engineering standpoint. The Porest uses what's called a cab-over design, meaning the driver and passenger sit directly above the front axle. That single design decision changes everything. Instead of wasting space on a long hood in front, every inch behind the cab is freed up for living space. Under the passenger seat sits a 2.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing around 133 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission driving the rear wheels. That's not a sports car engine, but this isn't a sports car, it's a home. And it's more than enough power to carry you and everything you own to wherever your next adventure begins. From the outside, the Porest doesn't try to hide what it is. It measures approximately 18.6 feet long and stands about 9.6 feet tall. To put that in perspective, it's only about 17 inches longer than a Mercedes S-Class sedan. You've probably parked next to cars that take up more space at the grocery store, yet it has the commanding, boxy presence of something far larger. The tall height allows comfortable standing room inside and accommodates the overhead bunk. The front retains the familiar, friendly face of the Porter truck, with large, clear headlights, daytime running lights, and a clean, modern grille. But look more closely, and you'll notice something different. A camera sensor module is mounted high on the windshield. This isn't a commercial truck anymore. That camera enables lane departure warning and forward collision avoidance, safety technology you typically find in high-end passenger cars. Hyundai didn't just put walls around a truck, they elevated it. One small detail that deserves your attention: the wheels. The Porest uses a staggered setup: larger wheels on the front, smaller dual wheels on the rear axle. This is a deliberate engineering choice. The dual rear wheels lower the rear loading floor, making it easier to get in and out of the living area. It also distributes weight more evenly when fully loaded with passengers and gear. Extended side mirrors protrude outward on both sides, necessary for seeing past the wider camper body when driving. It's the kind of detail that shows Hyundai thought about what it actually means to drive this thing daily, not just park it. Along the sides of the Porest, you'll find its self-contained living systems, integrated with almost surgical neatness. On one side, filler ports for the freshwater tank, a vent for the propane system. On the other side, the main entry door, a sturdy RV-style door with a built-in window and mosquito screen. And here's one of those small details that reveals a lot about Hyundai's thinking. The entry door itself has a built-in trash bin on the inside. A tiny thing, but in a compact vehicle where every inch counts, it means you don't sacrifice a cabinet or a shelf just to throw away a water bottle. Right next to the door, a latched compartment conceals the cassette toilet access, meaning you can empty the waste tank from outside the vehicle without disturbing anyone inside. A detail most RV buyers don't think about until they're standing in a campground at 6 a.m. And along the passenger side roofline, A manual crank-out awning ready to deploy and create a shaded outdoor living area the moment you park. The Porest carries everything you need for completely self-contained travel. 2 tanks are hidden underneath the chassis, a 15.8-gallon freshwater tank and a 15.8-gallon gray water holding tank. That's a meaningful capacity for a vehicle this size. Combined with the rear exterior shower, with hot and cold water controls, you can rinse off after a beach day, clean muddy boots, or give your dog a wash without ever setting foot inside a campground shower block. And when you open the exterior hatch at the rear, you'll find a spacious cargo compartment wide enough for camping chairs, a folding table, an outdoor grill, the gear that makes campsites feel like home. Now we get to the part that makes the Porest unlike any compact camper you've seen before. At the rear of the vehicle is what Hyundai calls the Smart Room Expansion Module. When you're driving, the rear wall sits completely flush with the body, keeping the Porest compact and easy to navigate through traffic and tight parking. But once you're parked and ready to set up camp, you press a button. The entire rear section electrically slides outward, approximately 31 inches, dramatically expanding the interior bedroom space at the back. In practical terms, you've just added nearly 3 extra feet of interior length without moving the vehicle an inch. The system is designed with safety in mind. You have to press and hold the switch for the full 20 to 30 seconds it takes to deploy. No accidental slide outs, no surprises. The system only moves when you tell it to. Small on the road, big when parked. That's the engineering philosophy of the Porest in 6 words. Step through the side entry door and the first thing that hits you is how wrong your expectations were. This doesn't feel like a camper van, and it feels like a small, thoughtfully designed apartment. Directly by the entrance is a control panel at eye level. The Smart Control Center showing battery levels, tank levels, and giving you control over lighting and the furnace. Everything you need to know about your home on wheels in one glance. The lounge area unfolds ahead of you. Hyundai did something clever with the Porter's original second-row passenger seats. Rather than removing them, they integrated them directly into the living space. In travel mode, they face forward with seatbelts for safe passenger transport. Once parked, they swivel inward to face the interior, combining with an additional bench to form a proper dinette around a central table. That table is mounted on a telescoping pedestal. It can lower completely to convert the entire dinette into an extra sleeping surface. In a vehicle with a 16-foot footprint, you're looking at sleeping arrangements for up to 6 adults. Every window in this lounge has a pull-down sunshade and a bug screen. Light comes in from both sides. Even on a hot day, you can keep the insects out and the breeze flowing. Look up above the lounge toward the cab. Instead of a fixed overhead bunk, which would force passengers to climb into it and stay there, Hyundai installed an electrically operated drop-down bed system. Press a button. The full-size sleeping platform descends smoothly from the ceiling. A removable ladder hooks on. You climb up, and here's the surprise. Even someone standing 6 foot 2 inches tall can sit up comfortably. There are side windows for ventilation and a ceiling light overhead. When you don't need it, the bed rises back to the ceiling, freeing the entire floor space below. It is, in the most literal sense, a disappearing bedroom. On the passenger side wall, the kitchen galley takes up a remarkably compact footprint while delivering a surprisingly complete set of tools. The countertop is polished stainless steel, a material choice that says something about quality. In the counter sits a sink with a folding faucet. Close the glass lid over the sink, and that surface becomes usable counter space. It's a 2-for-1 piece of design thinking that saves precious room without sacrificing function. Now, here's where it gets interesting and slightly controversial. There is no traditional cooktop in the Porest. No propane burners built into the counter. Instead, the space under the counter houses a microwave oven. Hyundai designed the kitchen for electric cooking. Portable induction cookers can be used on the counter surface. For some buyers, that will be a deal breaker. For others, particularly those who want to avoid open flames in a compact interior, it will be exactly right. What do you think? Is a built-in cooktop a must-have, or do you prefer the cleaner, safer electric approach? Tell us in the comments. Above the kitchen is an integrated air conditioning unit, a full climate control system in a camper this size. On a sweltering summer afternoon, that matters more than almost any other feature. The cabinets overhead open with gas struts, staying out of your way when you're working. The drawers below have positive latches. They won't fly open on a mountain road. The refrigerator, slim and tall, holds 39.6 gallons of storage. That's comparable to the fridge in some Class C motorhomes twice this size. Compact RV bathrooms are usually a compromise. You accept them because you have no choice. The Porest's wet bath is different. It's a true all-in-one bathroom. Shower and toilet sharing the same waterproof space, common in European campervans. You enter through a waterproofed swing door. Inside, a fold-down sink drops from the wall when you need it and folds back up to give you more shower room. A handheld shower head provides hot and cold water through a mixer faucet. The walls and floor are a single molded piece, designed to contain water completely. A curtain draws across when you shower to protect the woodwork beyond the door. The toilet is a swivel head cassette design. You can rotate the bowl for more legroom, and it empties into that removable cassette accessible from outside, the one we mentioned earlier. And yes, there's a mirror, a roof vent fan to exhaust moisture, and a 220-volt waterproof outlet for a hairdryer or electric razor. In a motorhome starting at $41,000, you get a bathroom that actually functions like one. That's not a given in this price range, not even close. With the smart room slide-out deployed, the rear transforms completely. What was a narrow corridor becomes a proper bedroom. A double bed mattress fills the expanded space oriented across the width of the vehicle, long enough for adults to stretch out fully. Even at 6 foot 2 inches, you can lie flat without your feet hitting the wall. Windows on both sides of the slide-out give you cross ventilation on breezy nights. Privacy blinds and bug screens on both windows. Overhead LED reading lights. An air conditioning vent ensures the bedroom stays as comfortable as the rest of the cabin. By day, fold or stow the bedding and you have a reading nook, a storage area, or simply more room to move. By night, it becomes the most peaceful part of the vehicle, your own private cabin, built into a machine that drove you here. When it's time to move on, the slide-out retracts in under 30 seconds. The room disappears. The Porest becomes a compact traveler again. Step down 3 steps from the living area into the porter's cab, and you're reminded of the vehicle's working truck origins. But Hyundai has brought it closer to a passenger car than you'd expect. 2 cloth bucket seats with armrests, a clean analog dashboard with a center screen, a steering wheel with media controls, a heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance, a high seating position with an enormous windshield and genuine forward visibility. The large side mirrors handle everything behind you. Some configurations include a rear camera system for added peace of mind. This is still a reliable Hyundai commercial vehicle under everything. That means parts are available, service centers are accessible, and the mechanical foundation has been stress-tested across hundreds of thousands of commercial units over many years. You're not buying an experiment. You're buying a proven platform with a remarkable home built on top of it. Here's the question that's been hanging in the air since the beginning. Does the Hyundai Porest actually change RV travel? Or is it just another compact camper van with clever marketing? Think about what we just walked through, a slide-out bedroom that adds 3 feet of interior space at the push of a button. An electrically lowering overhead bed that disappears into the ceiling when not in use. A self-contained water system. A cassette toilet with exterior access. Air conditioning throughout. A refrigerator large enough for extended off-grid travel. And all of this in a vehicle that fits in a standard parking space. At $41,000 to $54,000, the Porest undercuts almost every comparable factory-built motorhome in the world, often by a factor of 2 or 3. This is not a compromised product dressed up with marketing language. It is a genuinely well-engineered, thoughtfully designed, factory-built motorhome from one of the world's most experienced vehicle manufacturers. The RV industry has spent decades telling buyers that you need more space, more length, more money. Hyundai just proved that wrong. And they did it by asking a different question entirely. Not how big can we make it, but how smart can we make it? That difference in thinking is exactly what makes the Porest feel genuinely new. Korea has done it again. So, does the Hyundai Porest live up to the idea of changing RV travel forever? We think it does. But we want to hear from you. Drop your answer in the comments right now. Would you travel in the Porest? And be honest, is the lack of a built-in cooktop a deal breaker for you, or do you not care? If this video showed you something you'd never seen before, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who love discovering innovations like this. And if you want to see more incredibly engineered compact campervans, adventure vehicles, and the innovations quietly changing the way the world travels, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss what we find next. The next vehicle we're covering might surprise you even more than this one did. We'll see you there.